Okay, so the other thing that's really great to recommend them, and I would recommend this virtually to every single client, is using a simple tennis ball to help with their muscular imbalances, where they've got knots between their shoulder blades, and maybe they came in there just a bit tight, up in the upper back. Get them to do this. It could be lower back pain, hip pain, wherever it is, and just teach them how to use a tennis ball. Get them to do it 3 to 4 times a day, and just do it for a minute or two each time. Pretty much anyone's got a tennis ball. If not, they can use a racket ball. But these are just perfect. And so what you want to do when you teach them is just to get up to a wall, and they're going to place it on the area that's painful, not on the spine. And so what you're going to get them to do is just tell them to do it for a couple of minutes, especially on the areas, let's say that you found they had a tight right shoulder. So we're going to get them to work, the levator scapulae area, all this area up here. So get them to put it up there, and get them to have their shoulders relaxed, use their legs as they go up and down, and where they find the points that are really exquisitely tender, so really sore spots, get them to just press their weight against it and just lean their weight in, hold it for 30 seconds or so, and then move on to other areas. So they're trying to find the areas of, sort of pain and restriction. So that's what you want to do. So now they're doing some home self-trigger point work, so working on those muscles that you worked on, and get them to do that every day. So that's going to help them loosen up even more. Likewise, if it's lower back pain, get them to do the same thing. So they work their lower back. They can do this on the floor. I just find it's much easier you get better control against a wall. All right, so this is what you do. I do this with virtually every single client of mine. It feels great for them, so they're doing some self-massage. They're helping you helping you and themselves by loosening up the muscles 3 to 4 times a day between your treatments. And it is so simple and easy to do, and really, really powerful. So make sure that you recommend this. As I say, it could be biceps, and get them to go against the wall with the biceps. Whatever it is, get them to do self-trigger point work with a tennis ball, and get them to do that each day, 3 to 4 times a day, and they'll get even better results, so you'll have even happier clients. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, they can also put this in a sock, or a stocking. So get them to do this. So this makes it easier, so you can go in case it's dropping. So you can see that there. So they can do this, and that will help it hold in place a little better. So then they can, especially if it's sort of sliding out, and then they can move it around a little bit like that. Especially if it might be an elderly person that has problems bending down, that sort of thing. So that's the other alternative. Get them to use it in a stocking like that, or a sock.